Alright, day one of making my window farms. Basically, so far what I've got is I got myself all my water bottles that I'll need. A lot of water to drink in the meantime. Basically a tube that will fit on the pump. A pump right here, 100 gallons, good for 100 gallons. Then a bigger tubing that this tubing will be able to fit in. I got my backup pins. Something to split the air current because it might be a little too strong, and I could probably grow more plants by splitting the air up. Something to pierce holes into the bottles, and then some tape to cover the bottom of the bottles, air pins to get the water from the tank, this down here, to this tubing here, which will go up and fall into these bottles. So more to come. Alright, so a couple lessons that I learned. I started making the holes in the bottles. In the first one I was eager to cut the hole where we're going to put the net cups and the plants, but then I found out when I started drilling it was really hard to keep the bottle stable. So pro tip, always do the hole in the bottom before cutting the hole on the side. It's much easier. For example, this one with no hole, I was able to do it real quick. Instead of getting a drill bit for wood, I actually ended up getting a drill bit to make holes in wood, or for wood carving. I don't know. It's cheaper and worked just as well. And then if we look, both bottles easily fit into one each other. So there you go, just like the plan. More to come. Alright, so I think I got the water going up properly now. So basically what I did, have the pump, it's going through here. I have my backflow valve just in case. It should never get there, but you never know. And as we can see, water is going up. Eventually a drop should fall. There you go. Here we'll see it leak on the cap, and then it's filling up in the bottle here. If I show you what I did, I'm using Rama this 2 plants mod. So just give me 1 second. Alright, so like I mentioned in the previous video, I have the smaller tube here, a bigger tube that this one fits in, and then I have a ball pump pin here that's going in. This is where the water comes in. The air comes from this pipe. And then just to test, I took this flower vase, and you got to make sure that the pin is towards the bottom, and it'll end up working. Seems pretty cool. More to come later.